a new machinery has purchased like to bank account, here like to bank account, and this bank account the amount is suppose 50,000. How much it is? 50,000. And in same year 1st October one more machinery is purchased, that is the second machinery, bank account. It is the second one and this is the first one. Suppose this one has purchased for rupees 20,000. Here, so in this situation you have available of two machinery. Clear? So you have to calculate the depreciation of both the machinery. So the depreciation date will be 2018 March 31st. What you have to write here? By depreciation account. And by depreciation include first and second one. So when you check, it started from 1st April to 31st March. So first machinery is completing 1 year, and suppose depreciation is 10%. So this is completing 1 year. So here for 15,000, 10% it will be 5,000. Clear? But when you calculate about the second machinery depreciation, for second machinery it started from 1st October, and 1st October to 31st March it is 6 months. So you have to calculate depreciation of 20,000 at 6 months. Clear? So 20,000 of 10%, it will be 2,000, and that will be half. 6 by 12, it means half year. So 2,000 का half करोगे तो it will be depreciation 1,000 like this. 20,000 into 6 by 12 into 10 by 100. This is the calculation for second machine. So it is 1,000. Now total depreciation is 6,000. Now you have to balance it. 70,000. Balance from 6,000, that will be 64,000, and by balance CD of first and second, it will be that 45,000, 50 minus 5, and 20 minus 1, that will be 19,000. Here the first process has completed. In first process you are looking that the depreciation is calculated for two machineries. Clear? Okay. Now go for the next, that balance CD become here 2 balance BD. 2 balance BD. On which date? 2018 April 1st. First and second. So that is not required to write here because you have written. So it will be direct 64,000. And suppose on 1st October 2018 first machinery got sell. Suppose 1st October 2018 first machinery got sell. So you have to write here what? 2018 October 1st, it is for selling. What you have to write? By bank account and also by depreciation account of first machinery. Clear? And it may profit or loss. Suppose it will be loss, so by profit and loss account. Clear? So what will be the duration of depreciation here? From 1st April to 1st October. April, May, June, July, August, September. It means 6 months. So you have to calculate depreciation of 50,000 for 6 months only, because it is completing from April to October, 6 months. So first machinery depreciation on fixed installment method, 50,000 of 10%. Look at here, 50,000 of 10% into 6 by 12. Here, that will be 2,500. Clear? And suppose you have sold it at rupees 60,000. Suppose you have sold it at rupees 60, not 50,000, 40,000. Suppose you have sold it at 40,000. So what is the profit or loss? Look at that calculation of profit and loss. Total cost of machinery was 50,000. Here I am calculating. Total cost of machinery was 50,000 minus depreciation up to sale. Sale कब हो रहा है? 1st October. So how much depreciation? 5 plus 2,500. 7,500. Now it is 52,500. And this one had the sold selling price of rupees 40,000. So how much is the loss? 2,500 is the loss. That 2,500 you have to write here. Clear? This is the calculation. Understood everybody? In calculation of profit and loss, simple formula is cost of fixed assets minus depreciation up to selling date minus selling price. So first machinery has end. Now one more part is given. Suppose on the date of sale one new machinery has purchased. So one new machinery has purchased, then what you have to write here? To bank account. When? 2018 October 1st. Suppose of 10,000 you have purchased a new machinery. Now this is your third machinery. Clear? So what will be the depreciation of second and third? First has sold, that is I have completed. Now come to the depreciation of second and third. So it will be 2019 March 31st by depreciation account. That will be for second machinery and third machinery. So look at that. For second machinery it is completed from April to March, whole year. So for the second machinery of 20,000, direct it will be calculated 10%. So it will be 2,000. And for the third machinery, it started from October to March. That will be for 6 months. And it will be 500 of 10,000. 10,000 into 6 by 12 into 10 by 100, that you will find 500. This will be 2,500. Clear? Now total it. 74,000 minus 500 6 20. This is the balance CD. By balance CD will be the answer. Okay, this is the example. Suppose one machinery has sold in between and another machinery has purchased. Okay,